What is up, guys? Back with another video. This is Top Tech Guides, and I'm here on a brand new type of series that I want to start out with. This is tech news, and it's probably not going to be any different from any YouTube channel, but if you enjoy the content, then say in the comments. So today on the new tech news, I'm going to be releasing out something pretty cool that was released at CES this year for Corsair. They announced a new power supply called the AX1600i, which is a brand new power supply that has 1,600 watts. Think about it. Usually we would only probably use around maybe 800, maybe 900, but 1,600 watts is a lot. Their last highest one was, I believe, 1,500, which was already a little bit ridiculous. We didn't really need it, but they came out with a new one, 1,600 watts, which has platinum efficiency on their power. It is ultra stable. The one cool thing is that the different tags and stuff that are on the side, you can change the color, so you don't have to stick with the color of the power supply that it is stock at. It has a 140 millimeter fan with a patented FBD cooling fan, something like that. It has low noise and even at demanding loads. It also has 0 RPM fan mode. Basically, it only really happens when you're at low to medium power load. So during those times, you probably won't even hear the power supply running. Not only that, there's also software monitoring, so you'll be able to see how much power you're pulling out of your how much power your power supply is using at that specific moment that you want to check using Corsair Link software. It also allows you to do self-testing to see whether or not there's anything wrong with the power supply. They give you a it's also fully modular with a bag that comes with it so that you can put all your cables into that bag so you don't lose them. And it's basically built to last, for a very, very long time. It is a really, really good power supply because not a lot of power supplies allow you to be able to go ahead and go into the actual you be able to see live of how much power you're using out of your computer, which I think is the coolest thing about the power supply. They have other models besides the 1000 besides this power supply, the 1000 AX1600i. They have other models that allow you to have the Corsair Link ability to be able to see and monitor your wattage. They have other ones, so this isn't the only one, but this power supply is priced at $450 on USD, and if you want to buy it, it is in the description bar. Anyways, this is all I have for today, and if you guys want more news, hit the like, subscribe. See you guys later.